Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to build an automatic electric furnace system in Rust. So this works like that. So if you put sulfur in there, it turns on. And if the ore is smelting like normally in the furnaces, and if it's done, it shuts down automatically. So yeah, this is very energy efficient. I built that many times where I play Rust. I do exactly this, but in a little bit bigger. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to build it. Right, so first you need something. You put electricity off. Then you just need like 2 boxes. It does not need to be a big box. It could be a small one too. You just place furnaces. I'll place 3. And I'll place a box under box. I'm gonna take a storage adapter, put it on everything, on the boxes and on the furnaces. We need a splitter, a blocker, and a end switch. We're just gonna place it like this. I mean the conveyor also. Just gonna place the conveyors. I'll place them above the boxes or somewhere where you have space in. Then just above of those. And this time, if you only want to do these only with like one battery, if you need the battery only for this, you can build it just like that. And if you want to do with the battery this and something else too, I'm gonna show later in the video. Just gonna grab the power output, power in, pass-through goes in the second one. Then the pass-through goes to the, just do it like that. Nope. Wrong. Goes into the blocker and goes into this splitter. Splitter connects those to the furnaces. Right, now we're just gonna put the filter fail of both of the conveyors into the A and D switch and input A and input B, and they just power out into the side thingy block pass-through of the blocker. That's almost the whole build. We just gotta grab the pipes. Yeah, this box where everything goes in, like the ores and everything. You first just connect to this one, to some of both splitters. Doesn't need to be exactly the upper one. And this one just goes into the furnaces. Then it just goes right back into this one. And this one puts it into this box. So we can try it out. Oops, not the wrong one. I'm gonna put the ore in here. Put all of these in. Apply. And if you put some sulfur in, forgot to turn these on. Now they're converting. Yep, now it shuts off. Forgot to put the conveyors on. Now the sulfur is smelting. And if your ore is done, it just automatically shuts down. There we go. That's how you can spare some very much energy and not really just have a switch there and just constantly runs. It just doesn't care are there ores or not, it just runs. Then you have more energy. Yep. And now to the part where you can put it bigger and a little bit more efficient. We need a what are they called? Yep, those things. Electrical branches. Just need a branch for that too. And in this case, I'll just place 6 furnaces. Like that. That's just gonna be almost the same, just in bigger. So we're just gonna do the same thing. Like these. Then instead of the splitter to the furnaces, we're gonna build it in with the electrical branches. So now we got 6 furnaces. Put it like that. Gonna put 2 conveyors again. A A&D switch and a blocker. That's the same how you do it. We can put another electrical branch, by the way, for that. Now you just have to look how much all of these cost in energy. Oh no, you don't need to do that actually. You don't. Just go with power output. You just do the same thing. Pass-through goes in that. This one goes in here. Then those thingies. Power on, power out. Alright, those branches, they have power usage of 0. But the electrical furnaces, they do have a power usage of 3. So you have to type 3 in each of those. Then you can connect the branch out to the furnaces. Then you have all the power still going out. There we go. And then you have the rest of all the power in this one. You have 80 power for turrets, for everything else, right? We just put the same thing again. Sulfur, like quality metal, metal fragments, and all the ores. Like that, you get a piping tool. Go from this one, industrial out with the ores. Go in here. Run these through the oven. That's for bigger things. That's the same thing you do for like maybe a big smelter base. But I won't recommend if you have a big smelter base to go with those branches. I would just put up a wind turbine and then just run on just 1 battery, everything. You might need 2 batteries if you build it very big. But yeah, if you have those in, you have this industrial out. Let's go back through this conveyor. This conveyor puts it all this box. And just wait real quick. Oh, I forgot the A&D switch. So the filter fail goes in A, and this filter fail goes in B. Again, it doesn't matter how it is, right? It shuts down. Then if we put sulfur in there, it should switch off, switch on again. Yep. Now we can just wait. Oh, yep. Just it's not that much sulfur. If it's a bigger amount, it will run smoothly. There you go. If it's done, it shuts down perfectly. And that's how you build those furnace systems. I hope this was helpful, and yeah,